Ever packed your Apple Vision Pro 2 and felt that little fear of scratches or damage while traveling? Today, we're fixing that for good. Welcome back to the channel. I'm revealing the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 travel cases of 2025. Each one built for real-world protection and style. Check the links below to grab yours. The number 5 product on our list is FOREGOER Travel Case. Traveling with something as premium as the Vision Pro 2 demands protection that matches its value. And this travel case delivers exactly that. It's not just a bag, it's a perfectly engineered companion built for creators, travelers, and anyone who refuses to risk their tech on the road. The layered design instantly feels premium. The soft exterior keeps it stylish, the cotton padding absorbs shocks, and the inner fleece wraps your headset like velvet armor. Every accessory has its own space, from the headset to the battery pack, and that thoughtful separation means no scratches, no clutter, just perfect order. Compared to bulkier hard cases, this one nails the balance between portability and protection. The elastic handle feels sturdy yet comfortable, ideal for daily commutes or long flights. It's lightweight, sleek, and surprisingly spacious. One of those accessories that quietly makes life easier while keeping your Vision Pro setup looking brand new. At number 4 is SODI Travel Case. Carrying the Vision Pro 2 safely on the go shouldn't feel like a hassle. And that's where this premium travel case makes all the difference. From the first glance, it feels like something Apple itself would design. The sleek fabric finish, the soft interior, and the smartly engineered compartments all reflect a perfect mix of elegance and function. Inside, every piece has its place. The headset fits snugly, the battery slides into its own leather pouch, and the lens protector adds that extra layer of care. Unlike bulky alternatives among the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 travel cases in 2025, this one nails portability without sacrificing protection. The EVA shell absorbs shocks, while the waterproof zipper defends against sudden splashes. It's lightweight, comfortable to carry, and built for creators who move often. For anyone balancing travel, work, and creativity, this case offers peace of mind with style and real practicality. The third one on our list is HIBLOKS Travel Case. When it comes to protecting your Vision Pro 2 on the move, this travel case redefines convenience and innovation. It's not just storage, it's a portable charging hub designed for creators who never slow down. The built-in 40W fast charging system and magnetic ports are game changers, letting you power up your headset seamlessly whether you're home or traveling. The design feels luxurious yet tough, crafted from diamond mesh PU leather with waterproof layering that shrugs off daily wear and unexpected splashes. Inside, everything has its place. Each accessory fits snugly from the battery pack to controllers and cables. Compared to others in the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 travel cases in 2025, this one combines elegant craftsmanship with true functionality. The adjustable strap makes it easy to carry anywhere, while the structured support ensures nothing shifts or scratches. It's stylish, smart, and built for those who want their Vision Pro protected, charged, and ready wherever creativity strikes. On number 2 is Macally Travel Case. Carrying your Vision Pro 2 safely shouldn't mean sacrificing elegance, and this travel case proves it. Every inch feels purpose-built for modern creators who demand both protection and polish. The custom-molded interior fits the headset like it was born for it, locking everything securely in place while keeping the lenses spotless with a soft, protective pad. What truly sets it apart from others among the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 travel cases in 2025 is its precision organization. Every cable, battery, and accessory finds its own home, leaving no clutter, no chaos, just clean simplicity. The hidden AirTag slot adds peace of mind, ensuring your headset stays trackable even on the move. Its premium zipper glides smoothly, and the handle feels firm yet comfortable, perfect for travel or studio life. Compared to bulkier cases, this one blends minimalism with real-world usability. Sleek, reliable, and thoughtfully designed, it's the kind of accessory that feels essential the moment you use it. Now, moving to the last one is Spigen Premium Travel Case. There's something instantly premium about this travel case. It doesn't just protect your Vision Pro 2, it elevates the whole experience of owning it. The moment you hold it, the mix of nylon texture, leather handle, and solid EVA frame gives a sense of confidence and class. Inside, every detail feels deliberate. The padded divider hugs the headset perfectly, absorbing shocks and keeping it spotless through every trip. What makes it stand out among the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 travel cases in 2025 is its practical luxury. It's not just stylish, it's smart. The built-in organizer keeps your cables and accessories in check, while the hidden tracker compartment adds peace of mind for travelers who hate losing gear. Compared to bulkier or over-designed cases, this one strikes a balance between toughness and elegance. It's for those who appreciate simplicity but won't compromise on quality. Sleek, durable, and thoughtfully engineered, it's a travel companion that feels as refined as the device it protects. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 travel cases in 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you!